Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to archive a reel on Instagram. So archiving is like the leading up post, but you will still be able to see it, only other people won't be able to see it. And you can always unarchive it whenever you want. So recently Instagram added the option to archive reels, so I will show you how to do that today in this video. So first go to your homepage on Instagram. Now once you're here, go to the reel that you want to archive. I'll choose this random reel that I posted. Once you are on the reel, click on the three dots right below the share button on the reel. It should be beneath the like and comment button. Once you click on it, you'll see the option to manage the reel. Now click on manage, and then once you click on manage, at the very bottom there should be an option to archive the reel. It just says archive. Click on that and then click on archive. Now, once you do that, it should be archived. You can check the archived reel by clicking on the three bars in the top right corner and clicking on archive, which is the third option down. Once you click on that, go to your posts archive and it should be there. Now, if you want to unarchive it, click on the three dots in the top right corner and then click on show on profile and it will unarchive your reel. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I will see you guys next time.